How's it going, everybody? Nope, focus. There we go. How's it going, everybody? It's really dark, as you can see, late in the evening, and I saw a post that Sean lost his drone, so we can't have that. We gotta go get it. So here we are.
Hey guys, I lost my drone. So we got a boat.
We gotta
go get it. It's the middle of the night, frozen lake. What could go wrong? Actually, we're gonna go get it tomorrow. But what could go wrong?
Looks like it's not gonna snow tonight, but we might get some snow tomorrow, so we're kind of in a rush to get out there, give us the best chances of getting this drone back. All right, check back soon.
Oh, morning. Just enjoying the moment. So good.
It was a long drive to get to this drone, so we spent the night Sean style. Epic lakeside view. We had breakfast, discussed the game plan, and set out.
Quick update, we're heading over there. We're still on the FSR. Currently 4 degrees Celsius, so that's above freezing, and the sun is out. So that has me a little bit worried about whether or not the ice is melting on the lake. So we'll just keep heading over there. Fingers crossed that the ice hasn't melted too much yet.
Recovery vessel.
I think that's it. Once it goes over, I need my paddle, just in case. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! No, yes. I'm gonna wipe out right here for sure. No.
recording? Yes, it is.
Yeah. I'll stand on the
Whoa!
This is what I was scared of.
You just broke right through right away.
So, we're gonna bring the kayak out here. As you can see, the ice is kind of thin on the edges, so I don't trust just walking out there. I'm gonna bring the kayak with me. Just in case something like that happens, I'll be able to grab onto the kayak. I am gonna be tied to the kayak as well.
Once the kayak sinks.
The kayak will never sink. And really we'll be okay because I'm wearing waders and a dirty and dangerous hoodie, so nothing can go wrong.
All right.
Let's do it, let's get it.
Here you go. This is exciting and frightening.
I have a history in boxing. First steps on the ice gave me the same nerves I had before walking into the boxing ring, knowing I've done everything possible to prepare. Although I am not overly religious, when there's a chance that something could go very wrong, and it's not in my control, I do find myself looking to a higher power. Please keep me safe and give me the strength and courage to come out of this victorious.
So I could see a hole right there. That doesn't make me feel very comfortable. And this really soft, this stuff. I think that black thing up there is the drone. We got it! Woo! Now he's got to make it back.
Final round. We're ahead on the cards.
Operation Recover, story till now drone. So far is a success.
Yes? Woo! The drone. That's crazy, man. I can't believe you just did that.
Woo!
Woo!
Victory, feels good.
Yeah, man.
Unfortunately, we didn't have time to stick around and enjoy this gorgeous spot. But we'll definitely come back this summer.
So everything had to line up for this to happen. We were checking the weather and it's warming up really quickly up here. It's currently 7 degrees now and there is snow coming. So weird, there's snow coming later tonight and maybe this morning, which if that happened, the drone would have been covered up, we wouldn't be able to see it. The other thing is, with the temperature rising so quickly, you know, when the lake is frozen like that, the top of it turns to slush, and it's kind of scary to be walking on it when it's like that. But everything lined up, and it worked out.
On the way back, as usual, I drive with no radio on, and it gave me a chance to reflect on what just happened, and why I even did it.
We're on the FSR, we're heading back. I saw a post that Sean had lost his drone, and Sean and I have become friends now, but you know, only 2 weeks ago, maybe a bit more, 3 weeks ago, I was just a fan of the story till now. I knew that the footage on that drone was going to be extremely good footage that he would want to have for his next video. So as a friend, I couldn't just let it sit there. I was pretty confident I could get it, so sent him a message. He tried to talk to me out of it a little bit at first. It was too dangerous, which it could have been, but with the kayak there, I think we would have been okay, even if the ice did break, which it didn't. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. I think that's gonna be it for this one.
What a successful mission.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I upload our trips every week. And also, add us on Instagram at unwinding_roads for some behind the scenes content that you may enjoy. And until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.